Hello guys and welcome to another post-market analysis of Bank Nifty. Today is November 2. Okay, so this is the Bank Nifty's chart on a 5-minute time frame. This is on intraday's price action of Bank Nifty. And as usual, let's start from our daily charts. So this is a Bank Nifty's daily chart. The last candle that you see here is today's entire price action. But unlike yesterday, wait a minute. Let me take those drawings away. Yeah. So the candle that you can hardly see here is yesterday's price action of Bank Nifty, which is a perfect doji, and even today is it was a perfect doji there. See, both these candles are textbook examples of dojis because you can hardly see their real bodies. Yesterday there was because it was a sideways momentum. Yesterday you have seen a very short shadows wicks on top and bottom, but today, even though it is a doji candle, you have seen a price getting extended towards the top and also the bottom, leaving us this wicks which are little larger than the yesterday's doji. Okay, so market was in a good downtrend after this breakout of this key support level, and then has seen some sort of pullback, but then again, excuse me. So but then again, last couple of days was a bit have gone here and there because of the sideways action and because of extreme up and downside movements today, but it manages to close almost at the same level where the market has opened. So now this on a daily chart for tomorrow or for the next coming days, this level becomes very important because this is your very key support area for this moment. Because see, this moment right there is uh, is a counter move in a major downtrend. Okay, so this was actually a downtrend, and from there the market from this 42,200 levels have seen some counter movement, and then from here it is about to do some sort of breakout if it is a downtrend. If not, we can expect some couple of more sideways action on a daily time frame. But anyways, this level down there and this level from where the market has seen a very good rejection also, because these two levels becomes very important now in the next coming couple of days, because this becomes your resistance area and this becomes your support area. All right, so now let's go back to our daily chart and see what we can learn from today's price action. So let's get into the 5 minutes chart. That is this, and here is our Bank Nifty's price action for the day. All right. So here you can see that this is the opening. This is the opening level, that is 43,000 level, and see, even the close is at exactly the same level, 43,000 level. So that is the reason why we have seen doji candle formation on a daily chart. But today you see, after the market open here, yeah, so after the market has opened from this level, it has seen a very sharp projection and prices started going up from this level. So we can safely assume that this is our intraday support level for the day. Okay, from here at this stage when the market was here, okay, so when the market was here at this stage, you can assume that this is a resistance, because from there you are seeing a very sharp rejection of the prices. So what has happened here is very interesting after this candle. Okay, after this candle, because prices have continuously, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, almost for 35 minutes. Bank Nifty for 35 minutes was in a sideways movement. That gives us a reason to draw another intermediate support level in Bank Nifty. So now here what has happened is, either you wait for some sort of price action here, some sort of reversal setup here to take an action which can go towards the upper side, but nothing of that sort, because here you see all dojis against some spinning tops here. but no solid confirmation that the prices are going up from there. But after half an hour of a sideways momentum there, this is the first candle that has seen a breakout and also given us a confirmation candle, follow through candle after that. So this is a nice breakout of this particular intraday support area. But again, you cannot take trade at that location according to our strategy that we are seeing from last couple of days. See, your in this case, your price action has given a breakout, a clear breakout, but you would have kept your stop loss there, and this would have been your first target. Where your risk versus reward ratio is less than one, that means that it is not a good place to take a trade. Again, this support was well maintained for the next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, for the next 40 minutes. This support has well maintained, and after which you have seen a very big breakout. This was the largest candle. This is the largest candle of the day, but again, you have not seen any reason for an entry there, because after this, of course, it has given a confirmation candle. Sorry for that. Of course, it has given a follow through candle, confirmation candle, and also on a time minute time frame, a gap of this from one candle to another candle is not very oftenly seen. This is not very common that you see on a bank nifty. But these candles are, I mean, these candles can be seen here and there, but not a gap of this, not a gap of let's measure the gap. So the market is absolutely crazy at this point of time. 20 points of gap from candle to candle and a bank nifty on a time frame of 5 minutes. That's when you should be able to understand that bank nifty is moving very crazily and bank nifty is very volatile, because you see a sharp momentum here. You have seen a continuous six candles, bullish candles, with higher closes on every candle and higher lows on every candle. Everything was fine till at this point, but from there market has immediately started to it has immediately started to see a downfall, and it has come to this level. So market is very volatile at this stage, you would have noticed. And from again and here we have another a series of higher low reactions. Okay, let's mark those. So that is one, this is two, and this is three. So from all these places, markets have absolutely started. I mean, it has seen some sort of rejection at all these points, from where prices couldn't go further down. And this is and of course you would have drawn some support levels. You can draw a level there, you can draw a level there also. All these are higher levels. Okay, so compared to their previous swing low. So here this level becomes very important, because prices have come down exactly to that level at 130 right there, and has given you a bullish engulfing pattern right there. Okay, so this right here, this right there is what we are talking about. So here we have couple of reasons that are telling us that the market can be bullish. So one thing is, it is coming at this previously from this previous reaction. It is a kind of support zone. So it has the location is important, right? So it's saying that at this important location we have seen an important reversal pattern, that is a bullish engulfing pattern. We have two reasons there to for our entry, and also we have another reason, that is our risk versus reward ratio in this case is definitely more than 1 is to 1. So we're talking about this now. So here in this case, the risk versus reward ratio is more than 1 is to 5. It is 1.74. So here this was a safe entry. So even though Bank Nifty has moved very crazily, we should not get away with the emotions and look to trade every moment. We need a solid reason for our entry, and we should be able to maintain our stop loss, risk versus reward ratio, and all of that. So whenever you don't see that, no matter how big the Bank Nifty is, or for that matter any instrument is, we should not we should not take any trade in those cases. We take trade only based on the reasons behind the trade, not because of the movement behind the trade. Okay, so in this case, here the bank nifty starting from there, and this was your first level, first target, and your second target would have been this line, and this is your first target, right? So from here, you see Bank Nifty has beautifully made it to the first target, which is 57 points, after which we always say that's your stop loss. So after you see the price reaching your first target, we always recommend you to raise your stop loss to cost. So prices, when the prices are at this level, okay, you don't have to worry now, because you cannot get into the loss, because you have raised your stop loss to cost, and now you can trail your stop loss all the way till there. That's your final target as well. And from here to there, the Bank Nifty has moved beautifully, and the moment is, let me measure that moment. Okay, so from here to there, it is 100 points. So 100 points in Bank Nifty, even though, see, I know we are going a very slow here, because we have missed all this momentum, but there is, for us, there is no strong reason. See, here you don't have proper risk versus reward ratio. Here you have to risk many times than your reward, and you don't know where your reward is on the downside, probably here, which is not giving you great risk versus reward ratio. But whereas here in this situation here, yes, whereas here in this situation right there, we have a bullish engulfing pattern, and we are getting that bullish engulfing pattern right at this intraday support level, and also we are getting that after multiple confirmations. See, you are saying, you have seen a reaction there, you have seen a reaction there, okay, you have seen a reaction there. So there are multiple indications before you take that trade towards the call side, but still it worked, and you would have made a good 100 points from there to here. Okay, that's 104 points. You might have asked, why is that level your second target? Because of this support area what we have taken initially. So the after this, your next target would have been that, but those who are very greedy can still trial the stop losses, but according to me this was safe. And after that, it's, see, after this point, after 220, again there was some price action going sideways, and then you have seen a breakout, but then again a failure there. So this is how the market has performed today. Okay, so I expect you to not to uh, get very tensed up by seeing this huge candles, no matter what is the moment. See, here we have no chance to get into this uptrend right there, and from here also you don't have any, apart from one reason, that this is an inside candle and also a harami candle. We need more confirmations. You need at least three confirm you need at least three very strong reasons to get into a trade, which was not the case at any of these uh, levels. Okay, so this was the only place where we can enter, and that trade has given us 100 points there, which is not bad. Okay, so instead of seeing multiple stop losses, it's okay to wait for that good trade and trade it, and uh, take your profit. Okay, so hope you have understood the today's price action. Hope we have gone through uh, the today's price action in detail, and please do subscribe for more such valuable content. And